Hey, dude, where you going in such a hurry?
I need a change. I'm going to muck.
Good luck then.
Thanks.
There was a disconnection between the district and CSEA.
The last couple years, they have not been hearing us.
We knew we needed to build that relationship back up. We weren't getting a whole lot of activity with the chapter meetings. We didn't have a full site rep program. We didn't have any job stewards.
The members did not feel that they were being heard or that they were valued.
We really needed to get busy in getting our chapter united and push forward to build that relationship. Without our members being united, how could we move forward to ask our administration to be united with us?
You've got mail.
I got an email and I was asked if I wanted to do a competition, MUP, and I said, sure, I love to win. It's not really understanding what I was getting myself into or getting the team into.
We just decided to, hey, let's try it. See what this MUP is all about.
I really didn't know what to expect, so when I walked in, I saw all the people that were there from other districts, and I thought, wow, this is going to be hard work if we're going to because they're all fantastic.
It really helped us understand where the problems did lie with us, within ourselves, and what we had to do to communicate with administration.
We started brainstorming, things were coming out, ideas, the Day of the Young Child, all the trainings, communicating with the district administration. We knew the first thing we had to do is to come up with a plan to announce our program to the chapter.
They got challenged to participate in all of our trainings. In any event that we put on during MUP, they got points awarded each month.
They could get points for bringing a new member. They could get points for getting somebody to join the Victory Club. They could add to the Victory Club. They could get points for bringing a member to the first-time chapter meeting. Anything that they added to participation, they got points for. We had Mercy keeping track of all of the points that they were accumulating, and so each month there would be a site winner. When they see prizes, they will come. Right? You give them prizes, they will come. We went from 10 or so at a chapter meeting to 47 at a regular monthly chapter meeting. When they attended the chapter meetings or the trainings, we were teaching them about CSEA, what CSEA is all about, the Know Your Rights training, the interview panel training, the LCAP training. They could learn where the funding comes from.
As a chapter, we wanted to do something for our community. What is a community event that we could actually challenge ourselves to be at and participate in? And Day of the Young Child came up.
The Day of the Young Child was to bring in the families, the community.
Transportation came out. They actually brought a bus driver with a bus.
Our member was able to give bus tours, over 50 tours on the bus. We also had nutritious services out. The director of that program came out and stayed with our member the whole day, and they ran that booth and gave out some free treats. One of our other members, she brought butterflies and caterpillars. She talked to them about the process. She had an art project there. I mean, she was like a little kid in a candy store. She was so excited.
Then at the end of the MUP program, we had the Unity Bash.
And the Member Unity Bash was to bring back the idea of having the unified chapter at this barbecue, being served hamburgers and hot dogs by our district superintendent and head of HR. And it was a chance for them to come and talk to our members one-on-one. Without being at a site, we actually had it at a public park.
We were trying to come up with something that would be the prize at the end, that work site would be able to hold on to all year and look at that with pride and say, wow, we earned that. Mercy came up with the idea of this wooden plaque and engraving the names on the back for, the site name every year and passing it around every year. And we thought, that's a great idea. So she went to work in building it. And let me tell you, the winners adore it. We were invited to our district administration retreat at the end of the school year this year, the entire e-board, which is a first.
The whole training was about engagement. What do we do to engage our parents, our community, our children, and the staff? So it was what MUP was about. They included us because there's a relationship that's being built, and they realized that we're going a different way, and we're both kind of tearing down that wall that's been up there for years and becoming one.
The trainings that we attended were about planning for next year and what we're going to do for the students, the parents. And so we wrote our plan. We've already written it, and it's going to evolve even more, and it's very exciting what it's going to look like.
I truly believe that the district does value us. They just didn't know how to show it to our members, and they are now included in what we do. So they're able to show the members that they do care.
It is the best program to unite, not only to unite, but to collaborate, to learn different techniques, different ways you can include your parents, your kids.
Our voice was so stagnant before. It was so small within the district, and now it's just gotten so loud that they cannot stop but to hear us.
I can fly